AGBA stock next week, Monday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is AGBA Group Holding Limited going for the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. I myself personally am super bullish, but it doesn't automatically mean that I'm pulling the trigger and buying out of nowhere. Now, to give you context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So with AGBA, I want to see the price pull back into my demand zone for me to pull the trigger, right? Because that's the only way that I've tested. It's not the only way that I've tested strategy, but it's pretty much after testing over 21,000 videos, this is the one that has given me the most wins. So if it goes higher without me, so meaning the price just does this, I really wouldn't care. I wouldn't care much. Right? You can go without me. I'm going to focus on other thicker symbols as well. So that's my approach here. This is only for now and not forever. For 100% free course, check the first link in the description. These are the ratings. See you in the next one.